So Web3 is really a concept or a vision more than something specific that we can point to. But here's how I've been talking about it lately. I talk about Web3 as the impact of blockchain driven technology on the way that the web works. And another way that you could say this is that Web3 is how people connect to the benefits of blockchains. So you can think of the progression of the web like this. The first iteration of the web was read only. So we could search for information, we could read it. The next era, Web 2, was not just about reading, but also writing to the web. And this made it possible for us to easily contribute content and interact with other people using the web. And so that gave us services like social media or product reviews. This next era adds on.
Ownership.
You could basically think of it as putting more power in the hands of people directly without depending on service providers and the terms and conditions that they offer us. What does Web3 make possible? There is a lot out there on this question, but here's how I've been summing it up. Web3 makes it possible to solve for key challenges that we have with today's web. So, specifically, lack of trust, difficulty authenticating identity, the loss of control over data, and the inequitable distribution of value on today's web. We do have ways today to solve for some of these things, but they can be costly. They can create other problems. And ultimately, the vision of Web3 is that new blockchain technology gives us a hope that over time, the web, which has really turned into a place that's optimized for mega platforms, can work better for the people that use it. And of course, it is still very, very early in Web3. So cost and scalability and user experience are not where they need to be yet for mainstream adoption. But there has been a lot of evolution in this last year. And I'm looking forward to having more conversations with you about developments in 2022. So follow me and share what you think and what you want to know.